Hi, my name's Luke, and I'm going to be showing you how to replace an alternator in a 1994 F-150. Alright, this is the alternator that we are going to be replacing. It's pretty simple to get it out and put it back in. It's only 3 bolts, and it has 2 connectors. So let's get started. Since this is an electrical connection, first thing we need to do is get the battery off. So this is the belt tensioner, and we're going to use this wrench to take it off, and you got to pull it real hard, and just like that. The next step is we have to remove these 2 electrical connections right here. So just be really careful with those connections because you do not want to break them. Now that the battery is out and the connections are out, the next step is to get these 3 bolts out of the alternator. Got the first one out, just getting these 2. Alright, and now you can see it's loose. And then I pull it right out like so. Now that we've got all the bolts out, there's one more electrical connection that we need to get here. Right back here. Okay, so as you can see right here, you see the dust cover? Get your flathead screwdriver and you want to just pry it out like this. Just like so. See, it comes down like this, and it looks like this. Bolt, keeping it on there. Now that we have the dust cover off here, you need to disconnect this last bolt here. Now that the alternator is free, all we have to do is lift it out. So this is our new alternator. Notice we put the date on here so we know how old it is. So now we do everything we did just in reverse order. I'm Luke, I'm 9 years old. If I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.